In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix X not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you go on X right now, like if I just went on it right now and things aren't loading for me, if I go to my following tab, things aren't properly loading for me either. If I try, messaging someone or anything like that, none of that is working. So that could be very annoying. So all I want to go ahead and do is firstly go over to my settings. So on Android, what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings, go to apps, find X, and then clear your cache. On iPhone, you want to go to general, then go to iPhone storage and then find X. I'm just going to search it up, click on it, and then offload the app, which is going to clear the cache. Now, whenever you go to X, if it's still like not loading or anything like that, what you want to do is go to your browser of choice and then type in down detector like so, and then open up down detector and then just go ahead and find X. And as you can see, it basically shows how many reports there are, and there's a massive spike for right now. So if you have a massive spike, that basically means that X is currently down right now, which is why you're not able to actually see anything. So just wait for it to come back live and then you'll be good to go. You'll be able to use it again. They're just gonna have to wait for X to be properly like fixed and everything, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments.